Good morning friends. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can use Google Meet app for conferencing taking classes. So first of all we will show you how you can download Google Meet app. For downloading the Google Meet app, firstly you have to go to your phone's Play Store. That's Vivo Store, yeah, Play Store, Google Play Store, any app you can open. For downloading Google Meet app you have to type Google Meet on Play Store. Firstly, you can download this Google Meet app. I have downloaded this app, so that's why I will open it. First of all, I have opened Google Meet app. As you can see that I have opened Google Meet app. Here you can see that any meeting schedule is not there. You can start a new meeting. Firstly, here you can see that one meeting is going to be start. As you can see, you can share invite codes on your WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta, anywhere you can share your meeting code to anyone. As you can see, meeting code FZ8WKUNBZM is your meeting code. Here, in comparison of Zoom, there are little bit less function in this app. Here you can see that meeting is started. It seems like that Zoom, if any participants join here, they will click on join, then you will got a notification to join the participant, means accept the participant. So I have arranged a meeting and I'm gonna off this right now. Now I will show you how you can create a meeting for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So for that I will go to Google Calendar. Google Calendar is an app through which you can schedule a meeting. Using Google Calendar app, you can book a meeting or schedule it. For scheduling the meeting, you have to open Google Calendar. You can easily get this app from your Play Store. Just here you can see that it's written here nothing planned. So I will click on this plus button given below on the right side. I have clicked on this button. What do you want to set? Goal, reminder or event? We will click on event. Here you can give title. What's about the meeting title you want to give? Which type of meeting it is? It's either class test, conferencing, office, whatever you want to give. Here you can type it. Just I will write here Samyak Raute. Sorry, it's Google correction. If you want to repeat the meeting all day, then you can click here on all day. If you want to location, add the location from where you are doing meeting, then you can click on add location. If you want reminder before the meeting, that's 30 minutes before, or how much time you needed, add a notification 30 minutes before. You can add it anytime, 10 minutes before, 30 minutes before, it depends upon you. So add a conferencing method, adding on Google Meet app. Now it will show for inviting people. You can add their email IDs, so the invitation link will be sent to them. Not not you can share this link on WhatsApp from here. Leave it. If you add want to add any color about meeting, then you can add here. And if you want to add the attachment, then you can click on add attachment and your Google Drive will be opened. Just see from where you want to add, you can add anything. I'm canceling here. If you wanted to add any note also, you can add a note. Now I'm gonna save this, and I have saved this. Just see Samyak Raute 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. on 7th of June. As you can see, there's 4 minutes left meetings to be started. Here you will click, then you can see join video call meeting meet.google.com. Here its password CJKTCTGBVE. You can send it on your WhatsApp anywhere, and you can copy here. Copy events you can copy anywhere. So now I'm gonna open my Google Meet app. Just see, I will swipe up to setting. I'm refreshing it. Here you can see Samyak Raute 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. For starting this meeting, you can click on join or preset. Starting this meeting. If you are host, then you have to click on preset. About screen sharing. Here you can continue on this. Now your meeting will be started very soon. If you if anybody will request here you, then you will be able to accept them, and if you want to share this, you can share on your WhatsApp password to others to join the meeting. Then you can click on share option, and this will be sent to any contact if you wanted to send. Here you have not saved the attachment, that's why it's not coming. So one request from all of you to go to YouTube and search Samyak Raute and subscribe to my channel. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.